Sanibonani bafundi, namhlanje sifunda ukufunda nokuqondisisa. Hi scholars, today we are learning about comprehension first, amongst other things, okay? Ake siqhubeke. Nansi indaba yethu esizoyifunda. Here is the story that we are going to read. It is titled Eplazini, which is at the farm. UThemba uvakashele umkhulu McDonald epulazini. Themba is visiting Grandpa McDonald at the farm. Umkhulu uhlala nogogo uMcDonald epulazini. We are told that Grandpa lives with Grandma McDonald at the farm. Epulazini kukhona izimvu, amakati, izinkomo, amadada, amahhashi, izinkukhu kanye nenja eyodwa. At the farm there is sheep, there is cats, cows, ducks, horses, chicken, and one dog. Igama lenja kamkhulu nogogo McDonald nguMax. The name of Grandma and Grandpa's dog is Max. UThemba uthanda ukuphakela izinkukhu kanye nokusenga izinkomo. Themba likes feeding chicken and also milking the cows. Ukuphakela is to feed or to dish for, and ukusenga is to milk. Uyakuthanda ukuhlala nogogo nomkhulu McDonald uThemba. We are told that Themba likes living with Grandma and Grandpa McDonald. Kodwa ufunda edolobheni lapha abazali bakhe behlala khona. But his schools in the city or in town, edolobheni is either in the city or in town, lapha abazali bakhe behlala khona, where his parents live. Let us look at the questions and the answers. Asibhekeni imibuzo nezimpendulo. Imibuzo is questions, izimpendulo is your answers. Sithini isihloko sale ndaba? The key word here is isihloko, as it is highlighted. Isihloko is a title, so the word isihloko tells us that this question wants us to provide the title. Isihloko sendaba sithi epulazini. The title of the story is At the Farm, epulazini. Uhlala nobani ugogo McDonald? Who does Gogo McDonald or Grandma McDonald live with? Nobani is with who? That is why I highlighted it, because it's our key word. Uhlala nomkhulu uMcDonald. She lives with Grandpa McDonald. Bala izilwane ezintathu ezisepulazini. Write down 3 animals that are at the farm. Izilwane is animals, ezintathu is 3. So those are keywords that tell us what we need to do. Then you can write any of the animals that are written in the story. I have written amakati, amadada, inja, and I added one more, which is izinkukhu. Alright, I guess qhubekeni ke, let us carry on. Sibheka ukusetshenziswa kolimi. We are looking at the language, how we use language. So we are looking at how we use language. So we are looking at how we are going to use kodwa, which is but, in a sentence. Let's look at the examples. Asibheke imisho. These are the sentences where I've used kodwa. Ngiphethe ihhashi kodwa ngithanda ikati. I'm holding a horse but I like a cat. Ngibona inja kodwa ngifuna amadada. I see a dog but I want ducks. Ngiya epulazini kodwa angithandi ukusenga. I'm going to the farm but I do not like to milk. Siyaqhubeka-ke siyofunda ukusebenzisa una or ne, which is and. Okay, we are learning how to use and in a sentence. Okay, Let us first look at the rules. Asibhekeni imithetho kuqala. Okay, una plus a word starting with E will become ne. So if the word is ikati, then we will use ne to connect that word with the other one that we are mentioning or the other ones that we are mentioning. Ngithanda imvu nekati. I like a sheep and a cat. Nekati because ikati starts with I. Then na plus a word starting with a is na. So any word that starts with a is we are going to use na on it. Okay? Ngibona izinkukhu namadada. Amadada is ducks. It starts with a, so we are going to use na. Izinkukhu namadada. Na plus the word starting with u, we use no for that. Ngidla ilayisi nojuice. I am eating rice and juice. Ujuzi starts with u. So that is why we are using no. Ngidla ilayisi nojuice. I am eating rice and juice. All right, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Salani kahle.